Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can download Sublime Text for Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. To download Sublime Text for Windows 10, open your browser and search for Sublime Text and open the link from sublimetext.com. Don't worry about the download link, you will get the download link in the description box. Let me tell you that Sublime Text is a cross-platform source code editor. You can use Sublime Text to do your programming stuff. Now let me show you how you can download and install Sublime Text for Windows 10. For that, simply click on Download for Windows and here it will download an exe file which is around 11 MB. While your download has been completed, just open this installer file. So this is the setup window. Let me minimize the browser. Here simply select your location where you want to install Sublime Text 3. So this is the default location where Sublime Text is going to install. If you want to change this location, then you can change by clicking on this browse button and you can browse your location. For now, I'm just going to keep it default, and to install Sublime Text on your Windows 10 system, you at least need 34.6 MB of free disk space. Then click on Next. Now if you want to add Explorer content menu, then you can simply check this box, then click on Next. Here we have our installation detail. So here is the location where Sublime Text is going to install, and here we had checked one additional task. We want to add Explorer context menu. Then click on Install button in order to install Sublime Text 3. Here you can see it is installing. So our installation has been completed. Now just click on Finish button. Now let me show you how you can open Sublime Text. For that, simply search for Sublime Text 3. So here we have the application of Sublime Text. Now if you want to create a shortcut for this application, simply right click on it, then click on Open Location, and here you will find a Sublime Text shortcut menu. Simply right click on it, then click on Send to, and here select Desktop Create Shortcut. It will create a desktop shortcut. So here you can see, here we have the desktop shortcut. By using this desktop shortcut, you can directly open Sublime Text 3. So this is the interface of Sublime Text 3. Let me maximize this window. So here we have our file option, edit option, selection option, find, view, go to, tools, project, preferences, and help. You can use Sublime Text editor to do your programming stuff. Let me code some HTML code. So here I have HTML code. It will automatically detect which programming language you are going to use. On basis of that, it will highlight all your element. Now to save this file, simply click on File, then click on Save As, and here select a location where you want to save your file. Then name your file, say for example demo, and here you can see by default it will select your programming language. Then click on Save. Here we have our demo HTML file. So let me open this file using Google Chrome. So here we have our HTML file. If you change something here, say for example my first HTML, then just save this file, then minimize the browser and open that file and refresh the file. Here you will find some changes. So this way you can use Sublime Text source code editor. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.